Ladies and gents, welcome back to another video, man. I'm Robert, you're watching To The Limits, and we're about to do some stuff to that Hellcat right there. You know, shout out to Ninte. They sent me out a front lip for this baby, and we're about to install it. We're about to see what it looks like. To me, yo, that thing already looks hella good. Hella good. But we're gonna slap it on it, and we're gonna see. My boy Q in the Skyline Q50 just pulled up, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you installing the front lip too? Oh shit. But he just pulled up, brought the jack. You know, this is a family channel, you know what I'm saying? Hellcat Durango. And my neighbor got the side-by-sides out. But this is a family channel, you know what I'm saying? So we got the babies out. My boy Zaire is gonna be the one installing it. So let's see. Alright, I was planning on just time-lapsing this, but I be a badness I go on. Man, I tell man boy them I go wipe off them face. That the one that make up for him face. Basically I go tape up a boy dog. Watch it. And the rain keeps on falling every minute, but you know, we're asking God for forgiveness.
Matthew, make it a fan.
Matthew, yeah, Matthew. Bomba! Hola. Hello. My boy Rome famous at school, you know what I'm saying? So guys, the first thing that we did, because thanks to this guy right here, we put some 3M tape on it.
Pineapple man.
Pineapple man. Fast Life Friends, check him out. We put some 3M tape on it and we stick it first, and now we're gonna drill it. Yo, this shit look nice, bro.
Look good,
yeah, you hear? This shit look nice, and he get paid to say that. Ninte. Yeah, of course, my boy Rome. But yeah. What that there say? What for the ocular from? Bump. I can't go like that. Chuck you up. The man chuck up your blood. Alright guys, so this is what's happening. The drill that I have, this little drill right here. This little, oh shit, I just kicked that. The little drill that I have ain't enough to put the screw through the what you call it, the front lip and the bumper. So my boy Dice with other B5 Blue Hellcat, the one that was driving the Infinity, just went for his drill. So once that come in, then everything will be installed properly, and the rain is about to come back down. So yeah, we'll see. This shit does look hella good though. Yes sir. Guys, this man is a pro right here, you know. Follow Hellgato62, that's his right over there, you know. Cause this man, if it wasn't for him, this shit would be hanging.
Alright.
If it wasn't for them, him and Fast Life
Friends. You have a slant because it's a side you're down, the other side up more.
Alright, I got you.
You see?
He's speaking facts. Yeah man, we gotta ram it. Talk to him at blood clot. Talk to him at blood clot. Yeah man, train we are run panic. Now you don't have to put as much screws as we are, but we plan on doing 200s. First you see the badge, but look. Ooh-wee-oo. Front lip. And it's looking good. And it's sturdy. When you shake it, the whole damn bumper shake. So 200, it should be good. We're gonna put it to the test.
The lip comes off, the bumper coming off with it.
Wait, if the lip comes off, the bumper coming off.
Bumper coming off.
That's how sturdy it feels. You know, shout out to my professional mechanic, you know, help. Yeah. He ain't no professional, you know. Him just walk around with gun. Him lost him gun. But look, huge shout out to Ninte, bro. If you guys are interested in this front lip or any other of their parts, they got some nice carbon fiber parts.
Yes, sir.
No. They got some nice carbon fiber parts. They got the side skirts, they got the wicker build, the diffuser, the front lips, and not only for Chargers, they got for Infinities, for BMWs. They also got headlights and stuff like that. So check out their website. I'm gonna leave it in the description down below.
I need to get some for my Infinity.
Yeah, you need some Ninte, bro.
Yeah.
Over you, Dice. What do you think about it? Yeah, he likes it. You see, he said he gonna need one. So that's how you know. All right, Ro. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. So if you guys like it, drop a thumbs up on the video. Tell me what you think about it. I'm loving the look. That's why I had to reach out to them, because I love the way it looks. Huge shout out to them. And if you use my code that I'm gonna leave in the description, you get 10% off the whole store. So go make your orders, man. Yeah, man, do your thing. Do your thing. Slowly, you know. Bomba, I'm telling you, man, slowly just drop.
Yeah, brother.
Bomba,
They make
you.
his car look front look sick. When
Damn.
you up one day, the
Damn.
front of the car look sick.
Complete, not true.
Sick.
It's like the front is completed, bro. Damn, that look hard.
Wow.
Yo, this shit look hard.